in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Tag Manager account and then integrate that with your Shopify and WooCommerce store, I would say WordPress. So for that, you have to go to tagmanager.google.com. You have to open this link. Okay, once this open, then you have to create a new account. You have to click in here, create a new account, enter your company account name, select the country, enter your container name, I would say website address. You have to enter without the www or https. Then if your website, then click select web and then click on create. You have to accept all the conditions, service agreement terms, and this we go select yes, then your account will create it. Okay, once your account is created, then you will land on this home page. So it will give you two cards to put on your website. One will be in head section of website, and the second one will be on the body section of website. So to get this code, you have to click on this the ID of your container. Just click here, and you will get these two cards. For Shopify, you have to just click the copy the code, go to your Shopify store, then go to your online store, then select themes. After theme, you have to click on these three dots, and then click on edit code. Okay, after you this code will be open, you have to go to the layout and then select the theme.liquid. Make sure to select this file, and you have to put the head code under the head section. Okay, the head code will come inside the head tag, and for the body code, let me just quickly copy that. Okay, once you have copied the body code, you have to scroll down and see where the body starts. Okay, here the head ends and the body starts here. So you have to put the link here. Okay, now past it. Now we can save it. Okay, save. Let's go to refresh our website, and now we can see our tag is found GTM S7. Here's a code S7WXN. So we did it. Now let's do it for WordPress. Okay, for WordPress, you have to go to the plugins and then add new, and then search for Google Tag Manager. Then you have to install this extension. Okay, then click on activate. Okay, now it's asking for container ID. So is your container ID. You just copy it and then paste it here, and then click on 7 continue. And you have to select these options: 7 continue, 7 continue, and go to dashboard. Okay, now it's active. Let's just quickly see that whether it's working on our website or not. My website, a new tab. Let's just enable Tag Assistant Legacy and just refresh it. Okay, here you can see our tag manager is working and it's properly integrated. Now in next videos, I will show you how you can track Google Ads conversion and everything. And for that, you have to comment what I will do next in my videos. Thank you.